could you please share one story which has stayed with you of fertility? आपके पास तो तमाम कहानियां हैं.
Uh, there was a lady. Uh, I think she came around 7 years, 8 years back, and came to me with the file where she had 13 miscarriages. Yeah, 13 miscarriages, and she also had an issue कि she could conceive, but her pregnancy was not going beyond 20 weeks, sometime 18 weeks. तब तक बच्चा जाता था और तब जाके उसको for whatever reason the baby used to die inside, या some other problem was created and all those things. And then we investigated her, and then we understood that she had negative blood group.
Okay.
Her husband had positive blood group, और हर बार जो बेबी हो रहा था वो मोस्ट लाइकली ऑफ अ पॉजिटिव ब्लड ग्रुप,
Oh.
और उसके बॉडी में से ऐसा रिएक्शन बच्चे की तरफ आता था कि बच्चा एक पॉइंट से आगे बढ़ नहीं पाता था.
सर ये शुरू में क्यों नहीं पता चला?
कांट कमेंट ऑन दैट, क्योंकि इतने मिसकैरेजेस हो गए, दैट मीन्स कि कहीं ना कहीं जो जहाँ जहाँ पे भी वो गई होएगी वहाँ पे ये चीज़ शायद वो डॉक्टर के ध्यान में नहीं आया, या तो इट्स जस्ट कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट टू फॉलो अप टाइप का सिचुएशन हो गया. तो उसके कारण ये द लेडी वाज इन दिस सिचुएशन. सो वी टुक अप अ चैलेंज. She got pregnant again, and then we had to manage her pregnancy so that at least she crosses 28 weeks mark. Now why 28 weeks mark is important? Because 28 weeks के बाद अगर समझो कि आपका डिलीवरी कराना भी पड़ा या बच्चा हो गया, तो वैसे केसेस में बेबी को अपन पेटी में रख के एनआईसीयू में रख के भी बचा सकता है, और आपके हाथ में एक हेल्दी बच्चा आ सकता है. So same story happened in her case. We could pull on the pregnancy till 20 weeks, and
You
we
did?
listen. In this case, we did a procedure called exchange transfusion. Now, you may ask what is exchange transfusion. तो बच्चा जब मम्मी के पेट में है, तो अराउंड 23-24 वीक्स का जब बच्चा हुआ, तो वैसे केस में वी रिमूव्ड वॉट एवर ब्लड वॉज देयर इन द सिस्टम ऑफ द बेबी एंड ट्रांसफ्यूज द न्यू ब्लड. और वो हमेशा ओ नेगेटिव टाइप का ही ब्लड होता है, विच डज नॉट क्रिएट मच ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम. So what it does is that it removes all the antibodies which is creating problem in baby's blood, and it gives the fresh blood to the baby, and which, because it gives fresh blood to the baby can grow. Same process we had to repeat total 3 times, and then we could deliver her at around 30 weeks.
You did that.
Yes. And that baby is probably right now 7 years old, and the good point was that she did not go for another pregnancy after that, because it would have been a very, very difficult pregnancy. But two things I learned. Number one, there are people who never give up.
Wow.
So after 13 miscarriages, if you are not given up, then nothing can beat you in life.